Hi, 7th grade. Today we're going to continue with 13.2, Reflections and Symmetry. A reflection is a transformation that flips a figure over a line. So yesterday we slid over, today we're going to flip over. And like yesterday, reflections, they change positions, so they move, but they don't change their shape or their size. The line of reflection is the line that the figure flips over. So often, but not always, it's the X or the Y axis. Okay, so we're going to look at a couple examples and try some. Okay, so here's our first example. Let's say we have point L, okay, point L, and it's reflected over the x-axis. So remember that x is our horizontal and y is our vertical. And so if L is 2 over and 2 up, that means if it flips, that means it's going to go down 2, but still be 2 away from the x, right? So this was 2 up, we're 2 down in the same location, right? On the same line. We want to remember this we learned yesterday. The new point or figure, if it's a shape, is an image. So we want to use that prime. So this new point is L prime. Okay? All right, let's take a look at a figure, okay? Let's say that we have this triangle cat is reflected over the y-axis this time, the y. So that means the A and the T are both 1 away. So we want to keep them, when we reflect it, in the same location. X is still horizontal, Y is still vertical. So the A is just going to be exactly where it is on the left. We're going to bounce it over to the right. Okay, it's just like a mirror image. We're just flipping it over. T also is on the bottom, right? So it's on the x-axis and it's 1 away. So T prime is going to be in that same location. And C from 0, right, from the origin, is up 1, 2, 3, and then to the left 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, but this time to the right 1, 2, 3. And this is our C prime. Okay. So now we've shown that we've reflected over the y-axis. You can see the shape is still just as big. There's just as many inside as there are outside. The length between each of the points is still exactly the same, but it's flipped, right? So yesterday it slid, today it's flipping. For homework tonight, you're gonna do 2 through 13 on page 501, 2 through 13. There's a second part of today which has to do with symmetry. So we today did reflections. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.